Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Hermes 2000 that has been completely serviced, and primary concern by the customer was the heavy shift on this carriage shift model. So it's got pretty, well, it did have a pretty heavy shift action here. And what I did, and I tried to do it on camera, but I just got too, it got too long. Ended up replacing these springs right there. You can see that spring right there. And that spring, same thing on this side. Over there, right there, you can see it moving. You can see this one moving better probably, right there. So I put stronger springs on there, and these were actually too strong, so I just tweaked them until they were just right. But what I'm going to do now, back on camera, is I noticed the tops of the black letters, capitals, will cut off sometimes. The ribbon is not going up high enough, and it definitely does it on this degree right here. Oh, I don't see it doing it now. But so I investigated. I didn't want to spend too much time trying to adjust that minor detail, but I got looking down here, and sure enough, the Hermes is full of adjustments. So it's pretty simple. First I followed the lever, and see that move there? So that's black, that's stencil, that's red. Then if you follow the action right here, it goes to the ribbon lift arm, whatever's lined up. I was gonna say, what are they? Yeah, so right now the red's, oh, I got it backwards. So this one's blue or black. That's stencil and that's red. So these two, depending on the adjustments in and out, are the lift for the black or the red. Okay, so we're gonna do black here, and that's this side, and I need it to go up a little higher, so that screw's got to go in, and it looks like a 1564 fits perfect. I'm gonna loosen this on camera, and I'm gonna turn that in just a fraction. Let me find the proper screwdriver for that. Okay, well, it's not turning. Let's loosen this a little more. Try a different screwdriver. I'm going to go a little bit, because if you go too far, it can affect the underscore. They go up too high, and the underscore will bleed into the red. Let's see if I got this. Okay, so we got stencil, black. Let's try the degree. Looks good. Now let's try the underscore. Make sure it's not printed red. Looks good. So I think that's just enough. It just barely wanted to adjust that, but I did like the accessibility to these. Look at all the adjustments here. These are all adjustments for various things down there, up here. Nice. All right, that's it. Phoenix Typewriter, ribbon lift adjusted on a Hermes 2000. Good day.